Hey guys, what's up? This is Parag from Midas Multimedia, and today we are going to learn how to composite images with different backgrounds and environments. This image is from daylight and we are going to composite it with the image we shot at the evening. We have new tutorial every week, so make sure to subscribe our channel to get updates. This is JPG image and we need to extract bike from background. To do that, select pen tool to draw path around the object. Make sure path is selected and exclude overlapping shapes are selected so we can cut background showing through bike. To draw path, click and release mouse button and then on second click just drag. Hold Alt and click to change Bezier angle. Press Ctrl Enter for selection and then press Ctrl C for copy and open file where we have building background and press Ctrl V to paste. Select Move tool and press Ctrl T to scale. And when you reach at the desired size, press Enter to apply changes. To make image more realistic, we need to add shadow. Select background layer. So when we draw new shape, it will be above background layer and below bike layer. Select pen tool and this time select shape. This will create new layer with fill color. Select gray color for shadow. Draw a shape for shadow. And to blend it with background, use multiply as a blending mode. Now shadow is very sharp. To make it soft, go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Select convert to smart object so we can edit blur values anytime. There will be two shadows, one is very close to object and another is at some distance. Now you can see our bike colors are not matching with the background image. For that, create copy of background layer and move above the bike layer, and then apply average blur from filter. This will give you an average color from background layer. But we don't want to apply color for whole background, so we need to apply clipping mask. Hold Alt and click between layers, or just go to layer and select create clipping mask. The shortcut key is Ctrl Alt G. Now you can see average layer is affecting only bike, not the background. Now to blend color, we can select blend mode from layer panel. For this dude, I will use color. Then change opacity. To adjust colors, shadows and highlights, use curves. Click on this button to apply effect for below layer only. This will create clipping mask, the same we have did before. Now use first eyedropper to make sample in image to set black point of background image. Now you can see we have adjusted a darker part of image. Next is gray point. Find the gray area in background image and click. And use last eyedropper tool to set white point. Now we need to reduce red color from bike image. To do that, apply curves again. This time select red and change Bezier curve to reduce red. Next we need to adjust brightness and contrast. We need to retain some highlights. For that, select brush tool and make sure you have black color as a foreground color. Use left square bracket to reduce brush size and right bracket to increase. And paint to show highlights. Now we'll use color lookup to remap original colors. This will give us more dramatic effect. Select any preset you want. For this we'll use late sunset. To adjust highlights, use labels from layers. In this process we have lost some colors. To retrieve them, mask average blur layer and paint using black or grey color. There are some white edges around the image. Use burn tool to match colors with background. You can download final result PSD from description below, and also don't forget to like and comment.